here's the process I went through to actually apply the lead. Not only am I not an expert, I'm actually doing this for the first time, so bear with me, and yeah, later on I'll do a video on how not to from all the things I did wrong. Alright, here goes nothing. If I screw it up, I can always melt it out, right? Here's the end result before any kind of filing or anything on the passenger side. Turns out there's a few things that I did differently when I went and did on the second attempt on the driver's side. First off, I cleared up a lot more, got back to bare metal a lot further and tinned a lot further. Allows you to smooth this out farther than, just the, inch and a half that I did around here. Second off, I kept trying to use the paddle, kind of like it was Bondo, right? Smoothing it out like this, when really I should have been padding all along. Kind of one of those things that you figure out. Smoothing doesn't work very well. So I've got a couple of low spots here. I might need to add more lead. We'll see.